All right, so here we are, day 2. Started in Beatty this morning. We got a good night's rest at the Stagecoach Hotel, went to breakfast, and we are at a first stop, which is Rhyolite. This spot is really cool. This was thought to be the Vegas of the 1800s. This had a train station, post office, and this is one of the most unique features of Rhyolite, the bottle house. It was hard to find wood back in those times, especially out here in the middle of the desert. So Tom Kelly would pay children 10 cents a barrel to bring bottles. Isn't that crazy? So this is the bottle house. It's probably one of the most historic parts about Rhyolite. I'm gonna get some parts now. We'll keep it on going. All right, so here we are at stop number 2, and we are in Titus Canyon. I don't think any video or pictures could ever do this place justice. If you guys ever get a chance to go, it is absolutely worth the detour. You could do this trail in a freaking lifted Prius. No, I don't even think you need a lift kit. You just have to be willing to send it with some 31s or something. But anyways, it's amazing. There's bighorn sheep that live up in these. Anyways, we're halfway, and after this, we'll get some lunch. I'm gonna take you through Isham Canyon. And Isham Canyon,
Are you serious, my brother?
we'll see. I'm a little worried about it, but we're gonna make it. Deep in the thick of it in Titus Canyon. Update, we did Titus today, we did Rhyolite, and now the grand finale. So the rest of this trip has been very accessible by just your average 4x4 vehicle, even 2-wheel drive mostly, honestly. But now we gotta put a cherry on top. We're gonna do Isham Canyon. If you guys haven't heard of this, you'll be shocked at what this canyon is made of. It was named after William Isham. He was a 49er that when fleeing Death Valley in the 1800s, passed of dehydration up here. That's it, nothing really all that historic about it, but this is his canyon, and you guys are gonna be quite shocked at what we're going to drag for sure these 2 vehicles through. We might get one more. There's a WJ that's interested in running with us, old Uncle Ken, and if he runs with us, it's gonna be maybe a little bit longer of a day, but we'll get him through for sure. Looking forward to see how you guys like this. This should be pretty interesting. I am 100% confident that his vehicle can make it through this. Now, the amount of body damage that you're willing to sustain to make it through it is the only thing up for question.
Well, the good thing is I'm pretty good at body work, so I feel like I'm okay.
There's that. So this right here, this is gonna be dragging freaking Gladiator through the right rear of the corner on that one. Oh. This is like the first like major obstacle right here. And you just come in over here and then just kind of whoop, you go up at an angle. You know, use these rocks on the sides right here to the advantage. That's all I've done anyway.
Do you feel like this is for straight up the square you want? Is that the work one?
No, there's another waterfall. But like once you're past this point, you're pretty much in then. I mean, realistically, again, like there's nothing in this that you will not be able to make with your build. It's just gonna be a matter of how much you want to beat up the sides of it, because there is one point that is for sure. Oh yeah, this is I see it. You could make it through this for sure. So you can zigzag through this because you got a shorter wheelbase, more steering.
This obstacle is more doable than that first one. The first one, that's just a straight up entry on it. It's gonna be rough. If we get the tires to grab, and start to pull up, it'll be good.
Yeah, this one right here, I'm just gonna have to put my tires over this and that, because this right here took some life out of my XJ right here last time. Okay, made up the first one. Got a little rock stacking. Caught the bumper. Something. Oh, yeah, right there. It's a good thing I built that right there. That saved the corner of that build. Yeah, it's because you stacked all the rocks already.
Oh, no, it's good. I just
I think it was my trailing arms dragging, wasn't it?
Oh, big time.
Yeah.
driver tire right up that ramp right there.
Straight.
Driver. Oh. Good job, driver, is what I said.
I told you that thing's short.
I swear, she's talking about your Jeep.
Made it. First one down. Yeah, we walked it first try. That was good. I definitely didn't.
Dude, that was not easy for you.
We went right up. I didn't even have to back up once, bro. Let's see how Garrick does. Garrick's getting to watch all the pro lines. He goes wide this time. Go up on that wall. And then I'll drop that tire in on it. Okay. Alright, here comes Ken. Now, where we had to go over a lot of these rocks, he's just going to be able to go right in between them. Straight. Yeah, start cutting back.
Driver.
You got room for days.
Perfect. It's gonna slot. Your front end's gonna fall down. You're good. Turn it over. Turn driver.
Oh.
Really level if you keep your wheel straight. And when you turn that way, you're starting to climb it, which tilts you even harder. So there's your best. And you put a rock or two right here.
That's what I was thinking. If we get a rock down there so that he can pivot off of the rock.
Now say driver. Driver. And driver.
Oh, there it went. You're good. You're good. Hey!
Stay on it.
There it is.
Yeah.
Woo! Look at that little kiss.
Look at that.
All right, on to the next one.
Alright, driver. Yep, yep. Yep. Wide, wide. Yeah. Right out. Hold on. All right. Now pause. All right.
Still good? Still good? You got that? Actually, it's just like straight through.
You're good.
Seems like an RC car. That was probably a good idea. I didn't want to mess my bumper up, dude.
All right, man. Go, 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 go.
TFD update? Well, Derek did really good. But he does this all the time, truthfully. Yikes. Yeah. Got the taillight, which is a bummer because these taillights are really expensive. It's got the freaking blind spot monitoring and everything in it. That's a bummer. Little body work I'll have to do right there. I think I actually stretched it downwards. This took out a reverse sensor. We knew that was gonna happen. Other than that, just some tire rash, a little bit of trailing arm rubbage, a little bit. It's good though. Yeah, also really great. And Ken has made it as well. He's on the last obstacle right now, which is the waterfall. That was a bad noise. Bad noise. What was that?
Big noise?
Yeah, big noise.
I don't know yet. I gotta back down this now.
Why don't you just turn around and throw your winch out to him? There's plenty of room to turn around right here. Gen 3, 9.5 winch. We're going spelunking.
Kim is stuck on the waterfall. This is why you cannot follow Darren. Do not ever follow Darren.
Straight.
Currently pulling Ken out because his rear diff is gone. It's exploded. So he only has front wheel drive. So we got him roped up and we're almost at the top, right?
Yeah, we're just gonna go up that hill.